This man didn't just bring his cat for a ride. He gave it a helmet. Safety first, fluff second. Now that's a helmet game. What's next? Bro just hit a mid-air existential crisis. Zoomies turned into a full system reboot. Bro hit the air and disappeared from reality. Let's keep going. She doesn't meow. She skates. And she's late for her 3 p.m. vibe check. She skated straight through my soul. Next one. This cat is 99% asleep and still giving a better performance than half of TikTok.
All right, sleepy TikTok king, who's after you?
Every cat has that one imaginary enemy they'll never catch. This one just glows red and ruins lives. Lasers! Chaos! Okay, next victim. Certified serotonin. Serotonin delivered. Let's see who's up next. When your Uber arrives and it's 3 inches tall and fluffy. Fluff Uber's gone. New ride just pulled up. This isn't a kitten. This is a living marshmallow with opinions. Living marshmallow with opinions? Mood. Roll the next. Tried, failed, still looked majestic doing absolutely nothing. Majestic failure complete. Move it along. He's not mad. He's just internally filing a complaint with HR. HR's got the report. We move. He didn't choose the outfit. He didn't approve the shoot. He's just surviving at this point. Fashion shoot hostage situation over. Next. Intern doing their best to impress the CEO. Promotion still pending. Let's check the next intern. Training for the Olympics of absolutely nothing and still winning gold. Gold medal secured. Who's competing next? Sometimes you just need a friend who won't judge your weird little paws. Emotional support cat deployed. What's next? Whispers sweet nothings, then immediately goes for your face. Classic kitten love. Toxic relationships, but cute. Roll it. Back turned, focus locked. This is his favorite show and you're not invited. He's deep in his show. Let's not interrupt. Next. No thoughts, just vibes and gentle squishies. Zero thoughts, just vibes. And now, more chaos. Something's in the air. Probably drama. She can smell it. Sniffed out the drama. Now let's see the scandal. He doesn't eat. He dines. Pinky paw fully extended. He dimed, he conquered. Who's hungry next? Brings it back like a dog, stares like a boss. This cat runs the house. Fetch King handled business. Roll the next file. He's got something to say and it's urgent, probably about snacks. Loud meower, exit stage left. What now? Dreaming about roast chicken, arguing with it in his sleep. Dream fighting poultry, who's dreaming next? No bottle, no bowl, just raw determination. Determined milk thief handled it. Next up. Tiny body, big complaints, zero solutions. Tiny complaints logged, let's go. Initiating sniff protocol, threat level, adorable. Sniff protocol complete, moving on. Rent's due, economy's burning, and he's out here on vacation. Vacation cat's booked solid. Next appointment. Balloon pops, water flies, cat immediately files for relocation. Balloon trauma logged. Next trauma, please. He's not a cat. He's a suspicious little man in a fursuit. Suspicious little man did his job. Next freak. When the group chat hypes you up, but you're just trying to nap? Peer pressure nap ruined. Let's reset. He clocks in, bonks a coworker, and clocks out. Same routine daily. Workplace bonk complete. Shift over. Next. Strangers, acquaintances, soulmates? Nah, just a weird little sidewalk vibe. That sidewalk vibe was weird. Let's vibe harder. He's turning 5 and already done with everyone. Birthday boy's over it. Let's bring joy back. Dinner for 1, 2. Okay, fine. Everyone gets a bite of the lawn. The lawn's gone. Who's eating next? Tiny bean, big trust, zero resistance to head scritches. Tiny bean survives another day. Next. He's fighting every instinct in his body and barely winning. He resisted the urge. Barely. What's next? Certified baby behavior. Can't handle this level of cute. That's a baby! Show us more babies! If you're still watching, you know what to do.